Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Maps on mobile phone. So if you downloaded your Google Maps application from the Play Store, you should be able to see it. Just go to the Google Maps. Here you will find your current location. If you have an internet or Wi-Fi connection, you can select many options. If you want to go somewhere else, such as like, you can just type on it, click on it, and here you will find your desired location that you want to go. You will find in the below direction, start, save, and many more. You can click on the direction. You will find your fastest route, and you will find it as via, if you want to go via bike, it will take 21 minutes. If you want to go there via car, it will take 21 minutes. If you want to go via bus, it will take 1 hour 15 minutes. And if you want to go by walking, it will take 2 hours 39 minutes. So this is how you're gonna set your destination, desired destinations. And there are various types of functions. If you want to search the restaurants in your area, just click on the restaurant here. You'll find various restaurants here in your current location. If you want to go shopping, hotels, cafes, hospitals, just click on that and your desired location will be appeared in your current location map. And if you want to go and contribute, you can just click on the contribute and you can just add your places that are missing. And there are lots of options. If you want to go offline map, if you want to go your local timeline, if you want to go incognito mode, you can turn your Google Maps into dark theme. You can change your app language as well. So there are various options that you can use in your Google Maps on mobile. So hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.